Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to do the detailed camera review of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. So Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera with f1.9 aperture, LED flash, and it has an improved 8 megapixel camera with f1.9 aperture. Now the front facing camera was 5 megapixel on the J7 2016. Now the J7 Prime has 8 megapixel shooter, while the rear camera remains the same. It's the same unit with the f1.9 aperture. Now let's see how the camera performs. We'll just see the camera interface. So the camera interface is quite similar to what we have seen on most of the Samsung phones. We have different modes. Auto mode is there, pro mode, panorama, continuous shot, HDR, richer tones, night mode, beauty face mode, sports mode, and sound and shot mode. And for each mode we have this information. We get what exactly that mode does. And on the top we have this option for settings. So here we have full HD video recording is included, then a few options included. Apart from that, 4:3 megapixel at 13, 4:3 aspect ratio at 13 megapixel. Then we have different aspect ratios to choose from as well. Now there is also effects included. Few effects are there. So that's all in the camera interface. Now we have this option for selfies, take pictures, videos, and also view the gallery. So the camera interface is quite good. It does feature almost all options you expect on a phone priced below 20k, and does the job pretty well. Now let's have a look at the camera samples which we have taken with this device. So here are the daylight shots which we have taken with the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, and here we can see that the camera samples have come quite decent. This camera is similar to what we have seen on the J7 2016, but there are few things different in this camera. The color quality is pretty much inconsistent, we would say. At times we got almost perfect natural colors with this camera, but at times the camera colors were completely washed out, and at times it did produce some completely different camera colors as well. So it is a completely inconsistent camera color quality, we would say, on this camera. So that's one big issue with this camera. So colors are not consistent in the daylight, and we got good colors as well, pretty natural as well, and pretty worse colors as well. So that's one area which Samsung needs to improve on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Apart from this, clarity looks quite good. The sharpness levels are also acceptable, but the biggest issue, as I said before, is the color quality. Now looking at the close-up shots, again we had a big issue in this close-up shots. The focusing was pretty much slow, and at times once we focus, we tap to focus, and when you take the pictures, the focus is completely gone. That's another issue. So the focusing is in quick and also not accurate. So at times you might end up with blurred photos. That's probably because of the focusing issue on this device. So again it's a tricky situation in the close-up shots. You might get good shots, but you might also end up with blurred shots. Now let's have a look at the low light images. This is one area where the Samsung Galaxy J7 is pretty impressive. The low light captures have come quite good. The quality also looks pretty good. The colors are pretty spot on, and also the clarity of the low light images are pretty impressive. But again the issue here is the focusing. You might end up with blurred shots. So the noise is pretty much controlled on this camera. It's a good camera, we would say, for low light captures. So this one really good camera below 20k with good low light captures, and they have come quite good as well. Now let's have a look at the front facing camera. So here again we have different modes: selfie mode, wide selfie, and sound and shot. So these are the options available, and here again we have option to take full HD video recording even with a front facing 8 megapixel camera. So this is an improved camera, this 8 megapixel shooter on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime compared to the 5 megapixel camera on the J7 2016. Now the selfie shots have come quite good, we would say. It's not really the best in this category, but still acceptable quality. The 8 megapixel improvement doesn't really show up in the front facing samples. It's quite average quality front facing camera. Now having a look at the video recording sample which we have taken with this device, it's a 1080p sample. Again quite average, we would say. The colors are not really consistent. Here and there you could see that colors change, and it's not really consistent with the color quality. So that's one area Samsung needs to improve on this device. So that is the camera review of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. So what do we think about the camera on this device? We would say that this isn't the best camera experience we have seen on a Samsung phone. Samsung could have done better with this camera, especially the cameras are quite good in terms of the specs used. It's an f1.9 camera on the front and rear. It's 13 and 8 megapixel combination. So Samsung should have done much better with software processing. The color quality is the biggest issue, and secondly the focusing. So these two issues could be fixed with software upgrades. So if Samsung can release a software upgrade which fixes these issues, the camera on the J7 Prime will be much better than what is right now. So that was the camera review of the J7 Prime. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to your YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.